Hello, I'm Anna, and today I want to talk about a small device that ensures the safety of your car. As we all know, technology is developing at the speed of light today. This is certainly a good thing, but at the same time, it is a very big threat to our property. Almost all new model cars are equipped with keyless technology, which is a convenience for drivers, but a weak point for car thieves. Keyless system works like this. The car receives a signal from the key, and when approaching, the door locking system opens without pressing the button. And car thieves can use a special device to pick up the signal from the key left in your house, unlock the car and steal it. To prevent all this, we have created this device, Smart Keyless Protector. After its simple installation in your car key, the keyless entry signal from the key in a stationary position is blocked after 3 minutes, and the keyless system becomes inaccessible. When you move the key a little, it will activate again and you can use it normally. Isn't it cool? If you are interested to buy, visit smartkeylessprotector.com and feel safe.